Championships, the world owns the title of World Freestyle Aerobatic Champion. From what was going to be a hammerhead stall turn, he goes into half of a knife edge spin and now rolls the airplane back and forth in a dizzying display of roll performance in what is believed to be the most agile and aerodynamically amazing unlimited aircraft ever built, the MXS-RH. Watch him as he recovers inverted, using the power of a 300 plus horsepower motor, actually 370 horsepower, on a very, very lightweight aircraft built of carbon fiber and Kevlar, so light that the power of the engine and propeller can make the aircraft tumble in ways that were unbelievably and were unknown some 40 years ago. The double hammerhead, with 3/4 of a roll to the right, he'll dive down to show center and pick up a lot more speed. Watch him go sideways on this, quarter roll. Now watch the nose go right up over the top. That's the forward flip 1.5 times. It'll point it right back down on the 45. This is a bone-crushing display of hardcore down and dirty aerobatics as he does the spiraling tower. Topping it off, going into a flat spin, quickly recovering after a turn and a half. This is the most dynamic performer in our industry. There's the slider. A snap roll to the outside, back to slide. Now watch him use the gyroscopic power of the engine to turn it around in a torque roll. There's 1.5, and he'll now fall out of it, let the aircraft swap ends, and dive right back down with a snap roll and a half, and unwind it to the upright position. There was never a time in his life when he wasn't completely obsessed with aerobatics. Watch this. He's upside down and slides around. This is called the frisbee turn. Now watch what he does now as he gets the airplane upright. The stick comes back. This is the Cobra maneuver. Hangs it on the prop to 0 airspeed. Pushes the nose forward and trades some of that altitude for a little more energy. Our show is now complete. Rob Holland's going to take a little time now to climb up, tighten the straps, and cool the engine down. And now let's go live to the cockpit and say hello to Rob Holland. Hello, Rob Holland. How are you, my friend?
I'm doing fantastic. Mr. Rada, how you doing?
I'm great. The crowd is great. Hey, folks, you like Rob Holland? How about that? You hear that? I know you do.
I hear that. Hey, ladies and gentlemen, I'd like to take a moment of your time. Ask you all to help do me a favor. When you see a military man or woman in uniform, and there's a lot of them here, or a veteran, please walk up to them, look them in the eyes, shake their hand, and say thank you. You know, their service, sacrifice, bravery, and dedication gives each and every one of us the freedom we cherish so much. So from the bottom of my heart, I'd like to dedicate this heart to each and every one of them.
Big applause for you on that one, Rob Holland. How high are you climbing to now?
Thank you, sir. Thank you, everyone. It really is an honor to be here at NAS Oceana. It's great to be back. Heading up to 3,000 feet. I'll be there in about 25 seconds. Took about a lot of energy in this big size in. I'll be doing about 300 miles an hour at the bottom of this side.
Now, wait a minute. You said 300 miles an hour?
Be back down just a second. Thank you, Rob.
All right, sir. Rob Holland on his way. Let's keep your eye on the MXS, the most agile, unlimited aerobatic airplane in the world today. And you'll see a dizzying display of the roll rate as he gets the nose down. Watch the nose go around and watch how fast this airplane rolls over 450 degrees per second. let's watch. No, we shouldn't do that. The airplane isn't flying now, it's falling. Knife edge spin, flat spin. Now watch him go inverted. Ow! I wish I had my mother-in-law up there. A quadruple knife edge couple making the airplane go sideways. Have you ever seen anything like that, Oceana? Woo! Experiencing 12 times the positive force of gravity and 9 times the negative force of gravity trying to toss him out of the cockpit. That is an astounding 21 times the force of gravity range that he is punishing his body with. Another forward flip and a half. He wants to thank Reactor Watch, 2 Champion Aerospace, Skydynamics, Whirlwind Propellers, Bully Aero, Vidalo HD Sunglasses, and follow him on Facebook at Ultimate Air Shows, facebook.com/Ultimate Air Shows. By the way, his dad took him to an air show when he was a kid, saw an airplane flying upside down, and he said, that's what I want to do. Inspiration! He's a graduate of Daniel Webster College. He's an airline transport pilot. And listen to this list of awards. The 2012 recipient of the Art Scholl Award for Showmanship given by the International Council of Air Shows. A 3-time World Freestyle Aerobatic Champion. 2011, 2013, and 2015. A 5-time U.S. National Aerobatic Champion. 2011, 12, 13, 14, and 15. A 6-time U.S. National Freestyle Champion. 2008, 11, 12, 13, 14, and 15. The 2015 World Air Games Aerobatic Freestyle Gold Medalist. 16 medals in international competition, 8 of them are gold. The 2008 World Advanced Aerobatic Champion and a 6-time member of the U.S. Aerobatic Team. And this airplane, the MXS-RH, is the airplane designed for Rob Holland's absolutely brutal, bone-crushing performance. Now let's watch Rob Holland slow the airplane down. 370 horsepower, hanging it on the prop. Look at how slow he's going. He has turned the MXS-RH into a helicopter. Come on, Oceana, give him some love. Rob Holland's coming in for a photo pass before he lands. Watch him. Watch him put it up on one wing. Oh, yeah. How about the other way? Well, we've got a special treat for you right now. With a top speed of... Oh, yeah.
All right, well.
Let's see if we're going to be able to do that. Here it comes. Let's have us a race. Oh, Rob Holland's up He's off to a good lead, but the ShockWave jet truck is on the roll! Oh yeah! What was the speed on that, boss? Rob Holland playing chicken with Wayne Rachel as he drives down in the Corvette. This is not how you land in an airliner. He puts it into a flat spin where the airplane isn't flying, it's falling. He holds it, hangs it on the prop, comes off the power a little bit, allows himself to descend ever so slowly, and now pushes the nose forward to set up for his landing. Now watch, get cameras on this because he's still not finished. Wheels on the ground, he says, I want to fly some more. So he rolls it over once. Join me in a round of applause for Chris Darnell and ShockWave.